Start sending us video from your stream software to go live. Okay, YouTube is now live. Well, it should be. It's gonna load YouTube. Here we go. Here we go. We are back now. Hopefully, damage to the hard drive does not matter. Now, where do we actually get Evertayo stuff? That's what I care about. Not like anything else. Evertayo stuff. Go to Arch. Shell with Cumium. You have Vertayo GPU, DRI. Oh, here's a wiki. Mesa driver. Can I search with files? NVIDIA Virtual GPU. Virtual GPU. Give me the package name. This does not provide the DRI files I need. We'll convert to your Venus. This does not have the DRI drivers. I don't think this has any either. Yeah, no. Vert IO. Yeah, no. DRI perhaps. My interface on laptop disappeared. You know what? My hard drive sometimes disappears just out of my laptop, and if I reboot at that point, my Linux bootloader breaks like 50% of the times that happens. Driver maybe GRI. It's fine, it doesn't happen as often anymore. Is it a libDRI or something? libRI. Oh, it's libRI. libDRI. No! Excuse me. Arch GRI drivers. Okay, don't care this. You need to keep working on Elixir and get those high-paying Elixir jobs. Yeah, that's not happening. I mean, sure, get a high-paying job. Actually, I do like my laptop. It's not that bad. It forces me to write software that's relatively good. It's just that I don't really play Minecraft on it. Dry driver Mesa. Mesa package. Do I not have Mesa installed? I'm pretty sure it had dependency on Mesa. Oh, they have a lot of things here. Probably including word.io. Just in case. Yup. Vox activate pacman. Python pacman. Root sway cd, and let's go add Mesa here. Although first we need to mount disk. Of course I can't spell my password. No. That. It should just install Mesa. If installed contains Mesa, then well, oh, it does. Oh, Mesa Ember. Does Mesa Ember not include it? It's libs heavy. No, it doesn't. Oh god. Root. libtri. Well, it does contain few things. Okay, so we'll need to edit pacman script. Now, here when we build the package cache. Name map. Just an extra map. Add name map. Name info 0. Sleep time GG. See you fifth function. So name map. Hey. Thank you for the hydrate. I did start to drink more often, by the way. Drink more water. So thank you guys for that. I guess. 4 and 3 or name info in name map. As well. Package info name equals info. Fix overrides. Pacman pie. Well, I guess we should. Two, huh? I guess we should ask instead. Okay, you know what? We're gonna do asking. A consistent 6 pull-ups. Oh wow. I can only do 5. Yeah. I'm not particularly strong. Push info. So I'm gonna do if entry not in package info. And it's basically 5 but sometimes 6. Same. I do mean 5 most of the time. Oh, theme change. Bulk, stair, light. You want me to zoom in? Ha! This is. Well, Nigel doesn't stream. Although he should try at least. I mean, he has work. On the other hand, you have time, Nigel. Probably. If you have time to watch my streams, you can probably stream yourself, at least once a week. We can at least get a feel of how making a what was it? We can at least take a look at how untyped lambda calculus looks like. Picked great timing to request light color theme. I guess. Package info entry. Make a list. So get rid of name map. Now. And packages. One. Ever forest light. Oh god, my eyes. I mean, okay, no, my eyes hurt not because of the theme. I do like light themes. But yeah, my eyes do hurt. A little bit. For package in packages. Select a package for name. Microsoft support. Ah. Okay, so package for name. Let's do that. Let's do F string and also let's put a new line here. So we're gonna do. We'll probably have a VTuber. Be wearing cat ears. Okay, so do we do comma space join that. Name 0. Okay, so if len packages is equal to 1, package equals packages 0, otherwise names equals oops, let me take this. Oops. Join. So it's gonna be an F string ID index. Name for this name in enumerate names. Comma new line, index name, new line, and a space here. Put input int package equals packages. Okay, now I do want to nuke root now. I do want to nuke root now. Hold on. Back. Root. Let's open that and also hold on. For the thing. So also open bin init. And let me also do that. No. Vox activate. Do you mount root? Oh wait. I didn't realize it was asking for a password. We'll have to DD again. Sorry. But yeah. It's fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'm not gonna copy the installer scripts now to there, because why would I? You didn't even respond to your own after 30 minutes. I mean, I guess that happens. Personally, I don't like people who have follower-only chat, although I guess fine. I just don't like following people and then unfollowing them, etc. But yeah. I don't watch Eduardo streams much. To really say anything. Hopefully I'm not dropping bitrates right now. Not dropping frames right now. Because last time, DD actually loaded my CPU somehow. Come on. We've been streaming for 19 minutes. Right. Right. Definitely not 2 hours before that or something. Should you interact with a streamer who doesn't look into chat? I guess, sure. Yes, you can't. Well, you can, but not great. Well, I can't accuse them of doing that. It's just taking a bit of time. 8 gigs of data is a lot, apparently. Anyway. Let's go. MKFS sudo mount. Now mkdir. Actually change ownership. So install some virus and help of X11 Wayland display your chat messages items are screen. More often than Soiding. Okay, Soiding doesn't look at chat. Pretty much. So, to be honest. Primogen looks at chat much more. Okay, maybe he does, but there's rarely a chance of getting him to notice your message. Oh, I mean, I didn't get much luck. And also I don't really like people with big streamers, although, I mean, I don't know. Anyway. So we copied that. Situation where it's much harder. Rear band. True. In terms of and changing to subscriber on the chat. Oh well, how did that happen? Anyway, so we've got kernel module. Now let's do Python pacman. So first we do the this kit of modules. Oh, attribute push. Wait, what? Is it a pand? No way it's a pand. Package K-mod not found. Wait, what? What did I... Oh, I messed it up. Hold. It seemed, what did you want me there? Everforest Light. ever for a light. Although this is still gonna be pretty quick fix, hopefully info name. You don't know much about blockchain, what? The previous theme. Okay. Gravbox Dark. I think it was soft or default. Something like that. Okay, so this. Well, I'm gonna quit anyway. Well, Nigel, you're professional at getting the enraged. There's Primogen Queen Tish. You never get mad at chat. Personality thing. Huh. You're also actually just Rust developer. Oh, I clicked that again. Okay, so comma, not quite. zlib 0. Need to get rid of the comma. But okay, at least we got the input now. That's an upgrade. An upgrade to the gist. Let's fix it first. Why is it taking so long? We're downloading stuff. Oh right, downloading stuff takes a while, right? Because it doesn't progress bar oftentimes. So, oh wait, no. Okay, let's fix the comma at least. Index name, and we're gonna put a new line here. Now we really have to mount root and send DD again. Can I just mkfs xt4? Yes. Is it gonna redo? Oh, this is great. Kejer cp. Then we've got. So we've got that. Then we can get init. Wait. Early for init though. So we need that, right? So we just install that, right? When we install that, then we do network stuff, and we install. When we do roots, chmods is 0. Should I keep 0 indexing or should I keep 1 indexing? Who used Pacman conflict resolution? I literally need a screenshot of Pacman with a conflict. Or not a conflict, but like choose of package. Arch Pacman package selection. Oh, here. So yeah. I think they do one based indexing. So let's do that as well. That's my intuition, I guess. Zlib. Wait, Zlib, it already did. Okay, so I need to fix a few things. I think Q isn't playing around. Disgust. Oh, that's gonna take a while. IP tables. CA certificates. Zlib. Oh, let me fix it now, at least. So we have here. For package in packages, we'll check if it's already pending. Then we do that. Then we do that. Also we do index plus 1 here. We do this minus 1. So it should install some things. It's not gonna ask me as much now, because yeah. Now let's so let's change ownership. My god, do I have to catch up with this? He's going to implement the compiler. Is it? today's chat, people don't behave like they do. Yeah. Change ownership root, or actually colon root slash bin slash asterisk. That worked so far. Now also we need to that, we need that, and then we need actually cell root C certificates extracted. Yeah, C root C get MV. I don't know why I'm doing this. Specifically then change mod that. They do modules. Hi Nerdso. Hello. Yeah, Kivman mentioned in chat so many times. There's people from there. Okay, so we did that. Now let's actually do sway stuff. Sway D and Mesa. So it should prompt me about Mesa, at least. Actually, I'm gonna, you know what? I'm gonna terminate it at some point. Yeah, it's pretty safe to terminate. Bubble wrap. Ooh, which one do we need? SUID or bubble wrap? What's the first one? Hello, number one QB watcher. We heard about Close to Light update, right? Maybe we gotta play this today. Oh god. TTF font, which one? Oh, which one do we want? I didn't even think about this. I feel like yeah, but first I wanna get this running at least. And update the GIST, which is important. Let's just go with deja vu. Mesa, that's the most important one. So it's gonna go to Sway now. I don't know about QB Boy. Spur V, interesting. Mesa, libglvnd, xtb, wrus. Yeah, I can type it. No, I wanna edit this and do choice equals input if manage code but not spaghetti wiring. Try. Let's do try int choice. Up to, so we're gonna do that. So if choice well, if choice is just empty, then we'll do packages was packages 0 except I need to check value error. Continue break. I know this pattern is pretty bad, but if I ideally I need to check it. You know what, I can install Mesa just to check. Oh wait, Mesa default one. Oh, that's not helpful. One would work. Trim strip I meant, I guess. Now this should, excuse me. Oh, I guess I can do break here. Break here, then pass here. If I do SD, do 1, it's gonna work. And then if I do enter, it's also going to work. Okay, now QEMU. Oh wait, mix shell. Now we should have sway finally. Can probably find a timestamp. What? You've seen Soidin go insane sometimes. He starts speaking in a strange voice and moving his arms. What? What did I miss? Oh, Twitch and YouTube debates now. Do you have to catch up to chat? Easy money. Well, QV is also under the same situation, and I am. QV never streamed for money, yeah. Twitch not equals to YouTube. I see Twitch not equals to YouTube and I'm like, oh yeah, that. Okay, sway. Let's see if it works. No, it doesn't. Or does it? No, it doesn't. Failed to create the right tool. VT bound seed. Terminal process group. New client connected. Israel failed to create the right to scream. Do I? I don't know. Well, I don't, because I don't have minimal requirements for partnership. But I don't know if I can. Technically, Belarus is under sanctions as much as Russia. Although I've seen people still get money from YouTube somehow. Although everyone says from Twitch it's impossible. Well, when Twitch currently tells me that my payout system is valid, although I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Anyway, maybe jail warning. Well, Kiwi said multiple times, Twitch, or did he? Well, I feel like he said multiple times that Twitch doesn't work. It'd be nice from YouTube if they would recommend trade fans. Well, what I heard about YouTube is that instead of banning Russian YouTubers, they banned Russian viewers. And so Russian viewers didn't get ads, which means people, Russian YouTubers who mainly made content for Russian viewers, aka in Russian language, didn't get much revenue because 90% of their audience is Russian people who don't get ads, which means they don't, they're not considered, which means their views will not get revenue for people who make it videos. Although I have heard that if channel has audience that is not Russian, still gets even if the streamer or YouTuber is Russian, still gets money. Although I don't know how they would get it out of YouTube, because PayPal is not working there and here, and yeah, in Russia the situation is probably worse. Anyway, so yeah, must be a nice YouTube experience. It's pretty nice. Oh, hi Q. What's ads? Yeah, I don't get ads, by the way, on Twitch, and I do get ads on YouTube, but I noticed that if I accidentally leave VPN on, I get so much more YouTube ads than I ever got in my life. Like, we don't, if we do get ads in Belarus on YouTube currently. Well, unless you're using like YouTube Revanced or something. Qvan's real. Qvan's real? So we get like, we get an ad in the middle of the video. Not as much in at the start, although I'm not sure. And we get one ad. We don't get like 2 ads. And this ad is like 30 seconds. When I had accidentally left French or Netherlands VPN on, I've seen 2 ads which were like a minute long each. I was like, how do people survive that? Okay, should search for Arch package. So yeah, you had a weird dream. Well, I had an interesting dream, which I guess I could share. But like, the chance that you'll understand what it means is unlikely. So, there's the YouTuber, Pearlescent Moon, a Minecrafter, Hermitcraft member specifically. Yeah, I don't watch her. Like, yeah. However, I've seen a dream that she made a copy of Metro Mayhem. Well, not a copy, just Metro Mayhem thingy, similar mini game. And I played it and I said it was too easy. That was a fun dream I had today. Then in your case is true, then it has viewers around the world. do it in English language. He would get revenue from YouTube. Yeah. However, I'm not sure about that. Like, problem with Twitch is that we don't get, is that not only people from Belarus and Russia do not get ads, so do not count towards revenue, unless they do subs or Twitch Turbo. I don't even know if Twitch Turbo works there. I don't think it works. Prime Gaming doesn't, or didn't, because it's not there anymore. And on Twitch you also get no way of checkout. Although if you have a credit card from another country, you can somehow. Whole point is that YouTube check. Whole point is that if you can check out, nobody's gonna stop you. Like if you live in a country that's under sanctions, doesn't mean you're from that country. And yeah, it doesn't mean that you cannot if you just move there, or if you're just there passing by, it doesn't mean that you're just instantly blocked from receiving all your revenue. It's just that PayPal does not allow getting money out of PayPal or through PayPal into Russian banks, cards, whatever. Same thing with Belarus, and yeah, I think that's about it. Well, it does go the other way around as well. For example, Visa cards do not work in Russia, which is interesting. And they do work in Belarus. Okay, so EGL Wayland. Meeting into politics zone. Now, do you think it's gonna work, Sway? EGL not initialized, yeah, nah. Oh wait, we didn't think. Hold on. Not all hope is lost. Kiwi, we miss your cast streams. Oh wait, what did I just do? Here. YouTube come back. YouTube chat come back. Rodovnina is gonna say me, tell me to not use YouTube. Not stream to YouTube. EGL not initialized, failed to create the right to screen. Unhelpful. EGL Wayland. Oh, you're here. Are we swaying yet? As you can see, EGL not initialized. I have a glitch on the screen. What? Is it the camera again? Did it happen again? Or is it me? You don't see it. Well, not anymore, I guess. Anyway, so what do we do with this? TRM, do we have VirtuIO GPU? Parameters, mod set. We have -1. Okay, mod set is not enabled. FB dev. YouTube chat is not visible, by the way. It is, or is it? Oh, it's covered. It's covered. Here we go. Okay, so what do we do with this? This is what you saw. Discord attachment. Oh, what's that? Yeah, that happens sometimes. Although this looks weird. I normally get that on camera and video devices. Well, not that, it's something worse. This might have been mouse. Also still weird. Good question. Well, I don't have NVIDIA. Well, actually I do have NVIDIA. Looks good on your side. Sir, AWS params. Oh, that's basically my case. Connects without them. We'll start Western. I could try Western actually. You'll scroll down to X11 section here. Maybe it's gonna explain something, which is also untested and not gonna work. Okay, so what did he do? Xorg. Xorg server, free type, per font config, Xorg proto, lib xau, xtb, xtrans, libx11, xkb stuff, pixman, libdrm, mesa, gelcell, mesa, Xorg server, xf86 video vesa, need minimalist desktop i3, the menu, update xniter c. Well, yeah, I know. Let's try Western. Might be easier to run. Bad message. Root etcdconf. Oh, this is gonna be an issue. Just don't use this. It's not a. It's a great language. It does take some getting used to, but it is a great language. It's not. It is. Oh, I forgot to sync. And we have ext4 errors. Of course. Best on. DRM support. What did it complain about? Circumvent lifetimes. Just use arcs. No! I mean, yeah, I guess sometimes that works. But no. It's cast a great language. Is it? Well, Kiwi gonna say that. Cast is a great language. Kiwi's gonna show that. Command Western. Flight recorder. Windows 7 MS. DRM backend. Well, Kiwi has more XP with Rust than me. I'm pretty sure, so yeah. Libseed connected, enabling seed. Using card 0. loading module, Gel version, assembling rendered GPU timeline, Gel features, Gel version, using Gel renderer, warning no input devices, no permissions to read that, seeds misconfigured, failed create compositor backend, huh. Oh, is that just input devices? And for Sway, it's EGL initializers. Needs extension. Oh, falling back to KMS SW Rust. Bad device. Format table. Can't find. Fail to start X Wayland. Fail to execute SwayBG. Okay, so I need to set that. Okay, so that's actually... We could do that. And then maybe it's gonna run. You know, maybe it's gonna run. Failed to connect to user bus. Systemctl command found, obviously. Yeah, we don't have dbus. We don't have dbus. Ain't got dbus. Oh. Sway no systemd. Or that. The menu that more shift E to kill. Well, we don't have input stuff. We're in bootstrap, W roots, sway lock, kidder-p, home config sway. Well, it still complains about dbus. Oh, create a new page. This is wiki page is gone. This problem looks quickly with lifetime, but with lack of partial boring. Yeah, but yeah, I had so many issues with partial boring, or rather the lack of it. But in reality, if you structure your code differently, you can avoid it. Most of the time. Although I'm not sure. Welcome back, Penguin Operator. Okay, so Sway doesn't have system DLS page. I don't have a login manager. Dbus. I don't have dbus. Dbus. What is dbus and what it is exactly for? What is it exactly for? Dbus diamond. Oh, we need a diamond. Arch. Dbus broker. Dbus Arch Linux. So dbus must. Dbus units provided by dbus broker currently in full implementation. Put it home. Apparently don't. Well, you need to eat, right? Okay, let's do this one. Python, pacman, py, this. Yeah. Now, dbus broker. What do you provide? Ooh. Is there anything? Compatibility launcher? Well, we don't need that, do we? Bad message. Ooh, again. During extraction, OS error. Extracted. It was broker. Okay, so let's assume we installed it. Now, how do we use it? Wiki. Arch Linux stable. Core dbus broker. I wanted to look for bin. Dbus dash broker. Okay, can I look at services? It's C services. System D files. Is it units? Find root slash etc dash name asterisk dbus asterisk. Okay, yes. Can you so have that? Well, there's user lib system T service. And there's also user. What's this? User. Okay, so we have system service. Dbus broker launch, I assume. Scope system audit. Scope user. Audit. Dbus with no system D. Dbus broker launch. Okay, let's try that. To check just in case. Well, I mean, that's what we tried. Launch. Oh, answer in progress. No listener socket inherited. bus one, an organization. Let me reopen the issue. Bus, this specifically. Okay. No. Google. From the parent process. Control section of this main page. Bus broker directly. Bus broker. Not a socket. So you want a socket? Where do I get a socket? Okay, maybe I don't need the bus broker. I don't have package and installation though. That's a problem. Running the bus broker from terminal. I don't have systemctl. I don't have systemd. Running without systemd. Do I really need it? Why does Sway not work? It's just not work. We need the GL issues. Also warnings. CTM file. Swale and binary. Lib input. That. And then swabg fails. Then it tries to systemctl. Tray.c. Well, I don't have dbus. I don't have dbus. How to execute swabg? Well, maybe it works, but I don't think it is. That's okay. Let's try. Let's try running sway separately, like that. And then a terminal. Wait, I don't have it. Hold on. Sway bg. I know. Is there even anything like SwayBG? Oh, there is. Just gonna run it. Client disconnected. All right. It's ain't got no inputs. How to start Xwayland. SwayBG found config for output QEMU monitor. Filtered background image. This. What's the file? Image. Okay, so SwayBG fails and other things fail. Wow. Oh wait, you failed to load the image. Couldn't recognize the image file format. Well, file could. What do you mean could not recognize the image file format? Will it like work like that? PS not found. Okay. This way. Let's try running it again. It has an active client. Okay, so it does exist. So it fails to start to load an image for some reason. Wait, right. I need export this. Sway ampersand. That didn't show the Wayland client. Wayland monitor. Is that like that? SwayBG. Wait, Wayland displays. Right, display. Compositor. Did I not set it? I did set it. Okay, what about my system? Wayland-1. Anyway, this doesn't work. What do we do? Well, first time it tries to start SwayBG, that crashes because of fail to load image. For some reason. This is like weird. Do we not have libpng or something? Arch libpng. Well, we should have libpng, right? Yeah, we do have libpng. Oh. SwayBG cannot open image formats. Oh. GDK pixbuff. Let's look at this. Search for that. Well, I could just try installing that. Pixpuff. That is installed. Hold on. Okay, let's get something simpler to run. Is it? That's a compositor, right? Wayland example labs. Is there like something like a fire thingy, or I don't know, a matrix implementation? Or I guess RoFi or Rofi. Or Wofi. Wofi. Let's try this one. Perhaps it's gonna work. Although Sway doesn't leave. Is there a Sway wiki? Wiki. NVIDIA users, login managers, configuration. All default config hopefully is there. They had some MSG. Doesn't even work on how to get started. High DPI, display rotation, fractional scaling, inputs. Wallpapers. Wofi exists. Let's see. Why does ISO. What do I need to set again? Pango rapid file system. FontCon. This export this and then sway ampersand. It does not tell me which display it is. It should have checked. Verbose. Let's do this again. DRM. Starting headless backend. A Wayland display. Command not found, right? Because dbus and systemd do not exist. Actually. In slash systemd. Bin sh. Uh, that's gonna help. Okay, so let's do export this way verbose ampersand. Just gonna handle this now. Like system CT. Oh wait, system CTL. Right. Hold on. Beam system D system CTL. On sync. You mean? I guess system D is kind of useful. Export way verbose here. So libdrm issues. Then we go using EGL. Export extension, mesa project. Too many things. Failed to allocate. Creating headless backend. Loading configs. Replacement. Connectors starting executing that. I'm to connect to dbus. Way get socket pass. So socket not detected. How do I get this Wayland display? Because I can't launch this without a Wayland display. From the menu. Cannot open display. Wayland 1, I guess. Did I put an extra? No, I didn't. Echo. Okay, Wayland is annoying. Oh, okay, no, wait, Wayland isn't annoying, it's just... CD, well, Weston seems to run relatively. No input devices fail to create fatal. Can you ignore this? No input. No input. Oh, it's for X11. Still. See this again. Continue without input. That's better. Oh, it's launched. It launched something. Not load cursor. Is there a cursor? I don't know. Jeez. Able to open log file. Loading modules. Okay, so what is the display? What is the Wayland display? Wayland display to connect to. Sorry. Shell socket X-Wayland module slog. Term device. Current mode. Give me the display. Is there a regular display? There is. Oh, well, that kind of worked. Although, where's the output? I mean, I guess I could try without serial. Although then, input will not quite work. A bug. I get it. Oh wait. Actually, well, I'm probably not gonna stream for much longer because after all I need to go on a trip tomorrow. But yeah, see you, I guess. Back to Linux. And config. So I wanted to see if we had console enabled on Word.io GPU, because if not, then it explains many things. Console. Frame buffer console. Word.io console. No. Oops. Oops. Come on. Word.io GPU. This now. TRM. Community device. Navigate this. Linux console on Word.io GPU. I need Linux kernel. Kernel console that. I need kernel options to enable this. Oh, here we go. Nobody replied. Great. Well, that's exactly what I wanted. Something like that. That's not helpful. Oh, I don't think console is there. Device drivers. Let's look for graphics. DRM, frame buffer, console. Also, I didn't see boot up logo. What are those settings? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, we've got early like output, but no console here. I don't think that's gonna work. Well, it might at least output something about that. Oh, it's not, because console's not there. What if I get rid of the device? Oh, sway does actually kind of work. Hold on. I get rid of this device. Unable to connect to the compositor and then sway. Oh, sway and gray. Okay, hold on. I've got an idea. Emu Vertio GPU. Can I enable Vertio GPU without switching to its output? Emu GPU. Maybe not Vertio. GPU less sway. Sway no GPU. Software rendering. Give me that. I was gonna be angry that 0 GPUs found. Dev TRI. Dev C class, I know. PCI Word.io devices. That's not helpful. This is class DRM version. Oops. Oh. EGL software rendering. Arch. What's the calling here? Soft pipe. EGL in folder B. Doesn't exist. No mesa utils. Let's install a couple of things. We'll call it sync first, QEMU. Let's see if anything happens. Again, because some things are abstracted. What do we have? And again, initialize failed, initialize failed. libgri. Is there anything software? There must be. Soft pipe or LLVM pipe. Okay. SW Rust TRI. So if I do that, EGL in folder B. Device 0 TRI. Corpus file renderer, LLVM pipe. Wayland platform. That's X11. Wayland platform just gives up. Oh, surfaceless. Surfaceless. Yeah. Zinc. No. Verteo GPU doesn't seem to work. Well, that wasn't Verteo GPU, but if I do enable Verteo GPU, which is this. Hold on. No. This. Then something goes wrong with serial, or sway would not start properly. Okay, what if I do init equals sway? Oh wait, well actually, hold on. If I go into init, and at the end, instead of this, we'll do exec sway. Think. We do need to add that variable, but good try, you know. Yes, I think sway as an init system is a terrible idea, but you know, worth trying. Well, this thing doesn't need to be here. Export this exact sway. And if we do this, so what I want to see if the screen goes black. So here it's gonna start, but okay. And failed connect to user bus. Yes, seems correct. Now if we started without serial and without console stuff, then it might actually work. So I want to see if this goes black at some point. 5, 6, 7. Doesn't seem to work. Sadly. Yeah, I guess I give up. Let's trade somebody. Oh, actually, I should update the gist first. Gist, because we did actually fuck man, why? We did actually improve it. I wish there were commits, because yeah, I wish I could just write what I changed, but no. Revisions 4. This is the first one. 2 stars, 1 star. Yay. Thank you. So yeah, that's about it for today. So let's just check some tags. Kernel. Nope. Perhaps compiler. Nope. Let's try Dustin. This is the only live person out of my following. So yeah. Oh god, this takes the whole screen. Thank you all for joining. I'll see you next time, which is probably gonna be Tuesday next week. Yeah, almost a week. But hold on tight. You're gonna yeah, we're gonna get there. See you. Bye. Wait, I need to actually goodbye YouTube and